Hi, this is Sharon Lim, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at the sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're making this lovely reindeer diorama. This card can actually fold flat and can be mailed, and when they get it, they can open it up and it'll stand on a surface. I use the Reindeer Fun bundle. Comes with these lovely stamps with coordinating dies. And this is the one that caught my eye, and that's what we're using today, that die. So let's get started. You want to start with a card base that I already die cut, but I scored 4¼ by 11, scored it half, 1, 4½, 5, 5½, 6, 6½, 10, and 10½. Then a piece of cardstock. I used cherry cobbler here, 3½ by 4¼ I fussy cut this deer from the DSP. I used this one for the sample, and then this one we're making today with some mini dimensionals. I have the stamp Merry Christmas that we're going to stamp first, cherry cobbler, because it's easier to stamp it while it's flat. Ask me how I know. So we'll do that first. Looks good. Love the font on that one. Then we're going to fold it in half and see how it matches up perfectly. And basically we're just going to do the same thing on both sides. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and adhere T for top, the cherry cobbler as the background. I like to do it in a clockwise fashion because I don't like the corners to come up. So there. So we can fold that in around the cherry cobbler and out. So in and then out. And we'll repeat for this one. So this and this way. Mountain, then valley. And so where did we start? So that was the halfway mark, right? So that is valley, then mountain. So mountain, valley, mountain, valley, mountain. Mountain, valley, valley, mountain. And basically you're going to want to put some glue in the second from the cardstock here and on the end. And fold that in half again. And put the T back on here. And basically you make that shape. Then I forgot to put the deer in, but I have dimensionals already removed the layer on. And the mini dimensionals there. I was debating on some trees, maybe, but those won't fit, so I'm just going to keep it like that. So what do you think? Really simple, super easy card. And I'll put the bundle in the middle. So thanks for letting me share this with you. I hope you had fun with this diorama card. Please like, comment, and share with others that would also love this video tutorials. And if you really like them, please subscribe and you'll get even more. And I have over 150 videos now, so come on to my channel and see. Thank you for letting me share this with you, and have a great day. Bye.